Hey everyone, welcome back to HasFit. Today we're diving deep into a topic that can make or break your fitness journey. The common mistakes people make before their workouts. You're putting in the effort, you're showing up, but are you setting yourself up for success? We're going to explore 7 things you might be doing that are holding you back from reaching your full potential. Get ready to learn how to optimize your pre-workout routine and maximize your results.
Alright, let's get straight to it. First up, the warm-up. I know it's tempting to jump right into the workout, but trust me, warming up is crucial.
Think of it as prepping your body for the main event. It's like stretching your muscles before a big race. You wouldn't just sprint off the starting line without loosening up, right? Warming up increases blood flow to your muscles, raises your body temperature, and improves flexibility, all of which help prevent injuries. A good warm-up can be as simple as some light cardio, like jogging or jumping jacks, followed by dynamic stretches that move your joints through their full range of motion. We're talking arm circles, leg swings, torso twists. Get that body moving.
Skipping the warm-up is like driving your car on a cold day without letting the engine warm up. You might get going, but you're not performing at your best, and you risk doing some damage.
Take those extra few minutes to warm up properly, and you'll be amazed at how much better your workout feels. Remember, we want to feel energized and ready to conquer our workout, not stiff and prone to pulling a muscle. So make warming up a non-negotiable part of your routine. Your body will thank you for it.
Next up, let's talk about food. What you eat before your workout can significantly impact your performance. While it's important to fuel your body, avoid eating heavy meals right before you exercise. Imagine trying to do burpees with a belly full of pizza. Not a pretty picture, right? Eating a large meal too close to your workout can lead to sluggishness, stomach cramps, and even nausea. Your body is working hard to digest that food, which can divert energy away from your muscles. Instead, opt for a light snack or meal about 1 to 2 hours before your workout. This will give your body enough time to digest and provide you with sustained energy. Think a banana with some nut butter, a small bowl of oatmeal, or a protein shake. These options are easy to digest and packed with nutrients to power your workout. Remember, we're fueling our bodies, not weighing them down. Listen to your body and find what works best for you. Experiment with different pre-workout snacks and pay attention to how they affect your energy levels during your workout.
Now let's talk about the importance of staying hydrated. Water is essential for countless bodily functions, including regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients, and lubricating joints.
During a workout, you lose fluids through sweat, making it crucial to replenish those fluids to maintain optimal performance. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, muscle cramps, dizziness, and even heat stroke. None of these are conducive to a good workout.
Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially in the hours leading up to your workout. A good rule of thumb is to drink half your body weight in ounces of water per day. So, if you weigh 150 pounds, aim for 75 ounces of water. You can also opt for electrolyte-rich drinks, especially if you're working out intensely or in hot weather. Remember, hydration is key for optimal performance. Don't wait until you're thirsty to drink water, as that's a sign you're already dehydrated. Keep a water bottle handy throughout the day and make it a habit to sip regularly.
Let's shift gears and talk about the importance of sleep. You might be surprised to hear that sleep is just as important as your workout itself when it comes to achieving your fitness goals. When you sleep, your body repairs muscle tissue, replenishes energy stores, and releases essential hormones for growth and recovery. Skimping on sleep can significantly hinder your workout performance. You'll likely feel fatigued, have less power and endurance, and struggle to recover properly. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to fully recover and prepare for your next workout. Think of sleep as the reset button for your body. It's a time for your muscles to rebuild, your energy to be restored, and your mind to de-stress. Make sleep a priority, and you'll notice a huge difference in your workouts and overall well-being. Remember, consistently getting enough sleep is crucial for both your physical and mental health. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Avoid screens before bed, and make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool to promote restful sleep.
Now let's talk about what you wear to your workout.
It might seem like a small detail, but choosing the right workout attire can make a big difference in your comfort and performance.
The key is to dress for the weather and the type of workout you'll be doing.
If it's hot outside, opt for lightweight, breathable fabrics that wick away sweat.
Think moisture-wicking shirts and shorts made from materials like polyester or nylon.
These fabrics will help keep you cool and dry, preventing chafing and discomfort.
In colder weather, layers are your best friend.
Start with a base layer made from moisture-wicking material, followed by an insulating layer like fleece or wool.
You can always remove layers as you warm up.
Don't forget a hat and gloves to protect your extremities from the cold.
Remember, comfort is key.
Choose clothes that fit well and allow you to move freely without restriction.
Avoid cotton fabrics, as they tend to absorb sweat and become heavy and uncomfortable.
Let's talk about the importance of planning your workouts.
Walking into the gym without a plan is like going grocery shopping without a list. You might wander aimlessly and end up with a random assortment of items that don't make a complete meal.
Similarly, a workout without a plan can lead to an ineffective and unbalanced session.
Having a plan ensures that you're targeting all the major muscle groups, incorporating a variety of exercises, and progressing towards your fitness goals.
Whether you're following a program, working with a trainer, or creating your own workouts, having a plan keeps you focused and accountable.
Before you start your workout, take a few minutes to map out what exercises you'll be doing, how many sets and reps you'll aim for, and how much rest you'll take between sets.
This will help you stay on track and make the most of your workout time.
Remember, a well-structured workout plan is key for achieving balanced fitness and maximizing your results.
Take the time to plan your workouts, and you'll be amazed at how much more effective and enjoyable they become.
Last but not least, let's talk about pre-workout nutrition. Just like you wouldn't start a long car journey without filling up the tank, you shouldn't start a workout without providing your body with the fuel it needs to perform at its best. The right pre-workout nutrition can provide you with sustained energy, improve endurance, and enhance muscle recovery. The key is to choose foods that are easily digestible and provide a balance of carbohydrates for energy and protein for muscle repair. Some great options include a banana with almond butter, a small bowl of oatmeal with berries, a protein shake with fruit, or a handful of trail mix. The timing of your pre-workout meal or snack is also important. Aim to eat something about 1 to 2 hours before your workout to allow for proper digestion. If you're short on time, a smaller snack like a piece of fruit or a handful of nuts about 30 minutes before your workout can provide a quick energy boost. Remember, pre-workout nutrition is all about providing your body with the right fuel at the right time to maximize your workout performance. Experiment with different options and find what works best for you.
So there you have it, guys. 7 common mistakes to avoid before your workout. By incorporating these tips into your routine, you'll be setting yourself up for success and maximizing your results. Remember, consistency is key, so make these changes a regular part of your pre-workout routine. It's all about prepping your body and mind for peak performance. Listen to your body, fuel it properly, and prioritize rest and recovery. Now go out there and crush your workouts. I'm so excited for you to see how these simple changes can make a big difference in your fitness journey. Keep pushing, keep believing, and I'll see you in the next video.